how to disable the keyboard sounds on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sounds and haptics. Now in sounds and haptics, tap on now here go to the system sound and haptics section and tap on keyboard feedback. Now here you will see a sound button. So to disable the keyboard sound, just simply tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off this sound button, the keyboard sound will be disabled. So that's how you can disable keyboard sounds in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.